Hey guys, I'm MeeMee and I do Allsorts, and spring is in the air and I have a new Zenpop box. When I saw a snippet of what was inside, I had to get it. It's one of my favouriteest themes of all time, but I'm not going to tell you. At least not yet anyway. So Zenpop is like a stationery slash ramen slash swing mystery box all the way from Japan. Again, the stationery pack, I absolutely love everything that comes in it. I'm not sponsored and not affiliated, so I'm very excited to show you what's in this one because, like I said, it is one of my favourite things of all time. So without further ado, let's see what matches box is. And as you can see from the title there, it's Sakura Dreams. This is actually a lot different than the list that you normally get, and it's usually like big A4 sheet of paper that's double-sided. This one comes in a booklet form. And I would like to point out this is April's box, not March's, so I do apologise. I absolutely love anything to do with Sakuras or cherry blossoms, you know, and give me sweets, give me drinks, and I will love it. Alright, and this is what's in the box. So first off we have a Sakura blossom shaped eraser. That is so cute and beautifully detailed. I love the fact how you've got a little yellow bud in the middle. That is such good attention to detail. But I'm not going to use it because it will go in my jar, which has got some erasers in, and I don't really want to ruin the beauty of it. Next up is one of my absolute favourite things, washi tape. Right, so that's what the tape looks like. And then I don't know whether that's the actual full design, but you can see it's completely full of cherry blossoms. So this will go in like the 10,000 of the washi tapes that I have. Right, up next we have a uni pen. I love the design on this, even though that is just got a plain barrel. I love this little feature here, which kind of reminds me of a paperclip. I've never seen anything like that before. Oh. Okay, it's not a pen, apparently it's a pencil. So it's a Uniball 1, and it's a clicky one, and it rains in pink. Well, obviously, because everything in Sakura themed, so everything is going to be pink. Okay, I don't know why they call it a pencil on here, but it's clearly got ink in it, but I've never seen a nib like that before, because normally you can see the ink, but I can barely see anything. And I'll tell you one, there's a nice smell coming from somewhere. I don't know whether it's this or something else. It wasn't until I started scribbling this down then I could smell something. But it didn't say anything in the thing yet. And so next we have this really cute stamp with the Zenpop mascot. Apparently this is what we're getting, spring. And you can see it from tip it that way, but that's the stamp that we get. So that's what we get, and that's what it looks like. That is so cute. And so apparently this is a self-inking stamp, so it will refill itself. And the characters down here apparently mean beautiful. Oh, that's so cute. Right, so next we have this beautiful stationery set. So we have little envelopes here, which are decorated in pink Sakura blossoms and even gold foil ones. Then you get some really beautiful papers here, and not only that, but they've also got like a 3D aspect to it as well, which is really lovely. I haven't seen a stationery set like this before, and the theme continues with the gold foil. And so you can get to a few sheets of the 3D one and the one and you can just like a slip plane, and it still continues on with the theme, and it's so cute. Right, up next we have this beautiful card. Now I do not want to open this because I can see an artist's worst nightmare, which is glitter. And as pretty as glitter is, I absolutely hate it. As you can see, there's 3 Sakura blossom trees in a field of flowers, and I've just seen what was inside, so I'm going to show you properly. It pops up! Oh, and this box just keeps getting better. I love the little surprises. So you've got a background, floating flowers, you've got a little pop-up tree, somewhere to write, and on the back you've got the envelope. I'm definitely not going to be using this, that is too precious. So next you've got something that looks like one of those list booklet things. I love the colours on this one. You know, like in the mint green background that just really makes the flowers pop. So this is Euphony of the Cherry Blossom. I hope I pronounced that right. So inside this is what it looks like. Oh, that's really cute. I quite like that. Oh, we've gone into different colour. And so we've gone like two colours. We've gone to like a light pink and a light blue. Oh, I quite like that. Oh, so apparently the light pink has like the whole cherry blossom tree, whereas when the blue one doesn't. And that is super cool. Alright, up next is something that you can't go wrong with, is stickers. Well, it's the stickers, they're in clear seal set. So we've got Sakura trees, we have geishas, little buds, flowers, petals, Mount Fuji. I've got a couple of Mount Fujis, and they're all embellished with like gold foil, and they're even outlined in gold as well. Oh, these are so pretty. This alone reminds me so much of the Sophie and Toffee Elves boxes. Alright, and up next we have a B pencil. It's a plain pink barrel with little ridges going all the way down. I suppose that's like a grip, but it's really interesting how it's integrated into it. I'm assuming then you put your name on that, and up at the top it just says Sakura, B and 3 cherries. And last but not least we have a double-ended pen. So this is Sailor Shikiori, I hope I pronounced that right. And on one end we have a brush tip, and that is such a bright colour. And on the other side we have a bullet nib. Now the colours on this are quite subtle, but you've got the brush nib there and you've got the bullet nib there. I don't think that you can see it on this camera properly. But that is so nice. I quite like that. Alright, so then April's Zenpop box. You know, as Zinky mentioned, I absolutely love everything in here, because in Sakura Blossoms, how can you not like Sakura Blossoms? So I am absolutely thrilled about this box. If you guys would like to have your own Zenpop box, I will leave a link in the description box below. There is a different theme every month, and they will give you like a little insight of what the theme is going to be. So they'll show you like what the stickers are going to be like, what the pens are going to be like. So honestly, I'm saying just go and have a look and see if there's anything that you like. And you do get into like a ramen box or a sweet box, or even ramen and sweets, so the choice is there. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.